The following message is transmitted at the request of the Mikesburg Emergency Management Agency and the Mikesburg Sheriff's Office. 5 extremely dangerous individuals is occurring in Mikesburg. The first individual, Hunter Error, 16 years old, white, male, wearing a blue striped shirt, blue jeans and white shoes. The second individual is Liv Rooney Error, 15 years old, white, female, wearing unknown clothing. The third individual is Jaden the Shark Error, unknown age, not seen wearing clothing. The fourth individual is Maddie Rooney Error, 15 years old, white, female, last seen wearing unknown shirt, unknown shorts and unknown shoes. The fifth individual is Jesse Prescott Error, 18 years old, white, female, was last seen wearing unknown clothing. All 5 individuals are seen walking by foot without transportation. If you see these individuals, call 911 immediately.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Mikesburg Sheriff's Office, at 12:02 a.m. Robloxian Standard Time. There are 5 extremely dangerous individuals. The first individual's name is Hunter Error. Hunter Error is 16 years old, white, male, wearing a blue striped shirt, blue jeans, and white shoes. The second individual's is Liv Rooney Error, 15 years old, unknown height, weight. The individual's clothing is unknown. The third individual is Jaden the Shark Error, unknown age, unknown height, and unknown weight. The fourth individual is Maddie Rooney Error, 15 years old, wearing unknown clothing, unknown height, unknown weight. The fifth individual is Jesse Prescott Error, 18 years old, white, female, unknown height and unknown weight. She has unknown clothing. All residents in Mikesburg is requesting to seek shelter immediately.
You're listening to the NOAA weather radio station WWG 109, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.425 MHz. This is programmed by the National Weather Service Office in the Flushington State area, and is located at a campus at the University of Mikesburg. Public information statement: technical problems at the NOAA weather radio transmitter site. The broadcast for WWG 109 will have a weird-sounding voice. For now, technicians will fix the problem. Stay for further updates. This is an Amber Alert. An Amber Alert has been issued for Janessa Millard, 13 years old, white, female, born on August 21, 2012, wearing a black shirt, green pants, a diaper and black shoes. The second child is Sierra Corey, 14 years old, white, female, born on May 22, 2011, wearing a black shirt, blue jeans and red shoes. The third individual is Emily Davis, 12 years old, white female, born on December 6, 2013, wearing a green shirt, gray pants, a diaper and orange shoes. The suspect is believed to be Jackson Davis, 45 years old, white, male, born on March of 1978, wearing a yellow shirt, blue jeans and black shoes.
National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 703, effective until 2 a.m. This watch includes the following counties: Plush City. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, Persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Of your lives with me.
Nuclear power plant warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of Mikesburg Emergency Management Agencies. At 6:45 a.m. Flushington Daylight Time, an extremely dangerous situation is occurring in Mikesburg. Reactor number 2 has exploded. Evacuate now. Nuclear power plant warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of Mikesburg Emergency Management Agencies. At 6:45 a.m. Flushington Daylight Time, an extremely dangerous situation is occurring in Mikesburg. Reactor number 2 has exploded. Evacuate now. Repeating, evacuate now. The cause of this is by Hunter error and Jesse Prescott error. This is life-threatening situation. Evacuate now. This will cause death. This will cause a life-threatening situation. For your protection is to evacuate now.